Governor Greg Abbott says he's confident the U.S. Supreme Court will overturn this week's lower court ruling blocking the state from using its new congressional maps in next year's midterm elections. Eye on Politics reporter Jack Fink is in our newsroom with more on what the governor says about the issue and the nationwide implications. Jack, this has been a huge story this week.
Oh, yes. And Governor Abbott said the federal judge who wrote the ruling got it wrong. And he said he believes the nation's highest court will decide in Texas's favor. The state asked the judges in Texas to stay their ruling pending their appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court, but that request was denied today. Republicans hope to win 5 new congressional seats in Texas at the Democrats' expense, but 2 federal judges found, quote, substantial evidence that Texas racially gerrymandered the congressional maps. A third judge strongly dissented. Texas Republicans insisted they did not use race as a motivating factor when drawing the new congressional districts and that they only considered partisan gains. I asked Governor Abbott about this case during a political event in Frisco yesterday. How confident are you that the Supreme Court is going to rule in the state's favor? And what is your reaction to the fact that the majority opinion, the ruling, said that Texas used racially gerrymandered these maps?
There was zero evidence that any map drawing decision was made based upon race. The only people who were eligible to even be able to submit evidence on that were the members of the legislature whose intent was the only intent that mattered about what was contained in those maps. And to a person, everyone from the legislature who testified said race played no role whatsoever. It was all about politics, which is legal. Second, know this. The judge who wrote that opinion was just reversed last year by the Federal Court of Appeals in that judge's last decision about redistricting. He got that redistricting decision wrong. He got this one wrong also. I feel very confident the Supreme Court is going to take this case and once again overturn Judge Jeff Brown for a wrong ruling on redistricting.
We will go in depth on the redistricting showdown Sunday morning on Eye on Politics. Plus, Dallas Congresswoman Jasmine Crockett tells me about the big decision she hopes to be making by Thanksgiving, whether to run for U.S. Senate or re-election in her district, and a tiff over potential tariffs on Italian pasta. So get your fix for Texas politics. Watch Eye on Politics at 7:30 Sunday morning on CBS News Texas. We are on air and streaming. Stay informed, and we'll see you then. Amelia?
Okay, Jack, we appreciate the breakdown. Thanks.